think I know what this is, but I don't want to get too excited. Oh, what? This is not all I thought it was. What? Wait, they got this shit out quick. This brand asked if they could send me something like... I honestly feel like this was yesterday. Amazon works fast. It's called Comfy Tech. Comfy... It's this, like, headache... Headpiece... Headache... A headpiece when you have a headache. Oh my god, Anna's paying fuck off. You put it in the freezer. My mom actually has one of these, and so does my sister, and they love them. And you put it on like this, and it's supposed to be cold. Obviously, you put it in the freezer, but it's supposed to really help your head. Don't tell my mom this, but I feel like it would help with my hangover sometimes too. Anyhoodle, I'm gonna put this in the... Oh my god, this feels like this is gonna be so nice. Oh, I already got makeup on it. It's also Cinco de Mayo, so I might need this tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how it feels. I have tried other brands. I think my mom has a different one, but hers doesn't have this like little piece in the middle, so this actually feels like it's probably gonna be more comfortable because you have more of like some give, you know. I'm very excited about this. You can get these on Amazon though. Comfy Tech cold compressive headache relief hat. Oh, it's called a hat. Okay. Reusable gel ice pack. Go get it. Actually, wait, let me make sure I like it first. Hold. Okay, I took it out of the freezer. It's the next day. I absolutely overserved myself. Let's... Oh. Wait.